Crew chiefs are the main person that are kind of run the show on the whole bird. If something needs to get done, the crew chief has to make it happen. Well, you have to do a PMD every day, or before every flight is a preventative maintenance daily. Similar to, as some would hear, to doing PMDs on Humvees if you want to relate to other MOSs and such. But you know, you just check under all the panels, you know, make sure there's no wire chafing. I mean, little things. I mean, they always add up though to the big picture of the whole flight.
And it takes a lot of hard work. Like anytime maintenance comes up where it can't fly because of something broke on the aircraft, crew chiefs are the first line to go there and try to fix it. We even prep it right before we launch it. Like, we'll clean off the windows and stuff for the pilots, because if they can't see out the windows, then pretty much useless.